Today I am reviewing the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9 in 1 multi-cooker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's begin with its most impressive feature, 9 in 1 functionality. The Instant Pot Duo Plus replaces not just your pressure cooker, but your slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, egg cooker, and even your sterilizer. Whether you're cooking a quick batch of fluffy rice, slow braising pulled pork, steaming vegetables, or even making homemade yogurt, this multi-cooker handles it all. No clutter, no hassle. What really makes the Duo Plus stand out is its user-friendly smart program system. With 15 customizable one-touch smart programs, you can cook a wide variety of dishes with just the press of a button. Ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, desserts, even sous vide-style meals are simplified with precise cooking controls. You don't have to be a master chef to get consistently great results. Another major upgrade is the real-time cooking progress indicator. This might seem small, but it changes everything. You'll always know what stage your food is at, from preheating to cooking, and finally to keeping warm. This gives you peace of mind and helps you better plan your kitchen time. Speaking of safety and ease of use, the Instant Pot Duo Plus introduces a new easy-release steam switch. No more fumbling with steam valves. A simple, safe mechanism makes venting stress-free, and it even automatically resets when you close the lid. That's smart design at work. Let's talk build quality. The inner pot is made of premium stainless steel, featuring a tri-ply bottom that ensures even cooking across all surfaces. Whether you're sautéing onions or searing chicken, the anti-spin design holds the pot securely in place. And cleanup? It's incredibly simple. Both the lid and inner pot are dishwasher safe, so there's no need to worry about scrubbing or soaking after a big meal. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for small to medium-sized families, comfortably serving up to 6 people. It's large enough for family dinners, yet compact enough to fit easily on most countertops. Plus, with 1,000 watts of power, it heats quickly and cooks efficiently, helping you save time on busy weeknights. Another great feature is the Instant Pot app, which gives you access to over 800 recipes tailored specifically for this multi-cooker. Whether you're a beginner looking for guidance or a seasoned home cook looking for inspiration, the app keeps you constantly inspired and informed. Now, let's not forget reliability. With tens of thousands of glowing reviews, it's clear that the Instant Pot Duo Plus is not just a gimmick. It's a kitchen workhorse that lasts. Customers consistently praise its durability, speed, and how it simplifies their entire cooking routine. From busy parents to meal prep enthusiasts, the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. So who is this for? If you're someone who wants to save time, reduce kitchen clutter, and make restaurant-quality meals with minimal effort, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9 in 1 is absolutely worth it. It's ideal for families, working professionals, health-conscious eaters, and anyone looking to cut down on kitchen chaos without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. In summary, this isn't just another appliance. It's a smart, space-saving, time-saving solution that earns its place in your kitchen. From pressure cooking to yogurt making, from steaming to sterilizing, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is the multitasking marvel you didn't know you needed.